Alright, so let's get into the unboxing of the Wahl single foil shaver. We'll go through the box before we unbox it, and then I'll just show you what you get inside this foil shaver. So as you can see there, it says travel shaver cordless and rechargeable. It says it has a 45-minute run time. If you turn it to the side, you'll see it has a 2-year warranty. The travel shaver comes with all these. In the picture it says it's included. It comes with a carry case, and then what does it say there? It says LED charging indicator with easy plug-in system. It says it's convenient travel. It has a convenient travel pouch. It has a replacement cutting blade and a shaving foil and an ultra close cut. So at least with this foil shaver they give you an extra cutter blade and an extra foil if ever those things break or wear out, which has been the case in my case. As you can see, it's finally time that I've replaced it. The reason why I'm doing an unboxing of this because it's been so good, so I'm doing another review, if you would say so, because I've had mine for quite a while now, probably like 4 or 5 years, and it's finally given up the ghost, as I would say. So I'm replacing it and I'm showing you guys exactly what you get. I think, if I'm not mistaken, there is a shaver called the Gamma Uno. I think these Wahl travel shavers came out before the Gamma Uno. Essentially just saying that it's a one foil shaver. But yeah, we'll do an unboxing and then you guys can see what all comes with the shaver itself. So we'll just get our trusty knife. Oh yeah. And we can just make a cut over here like that. Alright, so when you open the box like that, you get this nice Wahl case. We can put this box to the side. So you get this nice aluminium case that says Wahl. You get all the documentation that you should probably go through. I'm gonna probably go through it just to find out if I should leave the cable in to charge the trimmer. And there's your guarantee, the travel shaver. So we can put this to the side like that, and then we can open the case. So you get like a nice suede pouch that you can actually put the trimmer in if you're traveling anywhere with the shaver. You get the charging cable. It's about a meter long, I'd say. You get a cleaning brush. A cleaning brush. You get your replacement cutter blade. You get the foil shaver itself, as you can see over there, and then the replacement foil as well. So at least, because they don't sell the replacements of these things, this is like a once-off buy. So you buy the shaver once off, and then until you use it until you can't anymore, until it dies, and then you get a new one. It's not like the other professional foil shavers where you can actually get replacement cutter heads with the foils. So this is how it looks. It's nice and compact. What's nice about this is that it's strong enough to take off a whole lot of bulk stubble, like the whole beard you'll be able to shave. You'll be able to shave in those tight areas like the mustache area with this, because it has the single foil. So yeah, a review will be coming soon with this, and I'll showcase how powerful this little shaver is with the single foil head. That's how it sounds. You can already hear this one has more boomer than my old one. My old one sounds like this. It still sounds decent, like it has power, but it dies quite fast. It's not the same. You can hear, those ones sound like they're cutting nice though. Yeah, that's the old one. But I've had this one like for 4 or 5 years and it's treated me well. So yeah, I'd recommend getting this with a dual foil shaver head, so that you can go into tight corners and spaces with this one, especially like the mustache area, around the ear, for all those tight corners. But yeah, that's the unboxing for the Wahl travel shaver. Review to follow soon.